Hi, welcome to the walk. Today's walk covers approximately 9 kilometers, climbing up to Mount Nicholson and Mount Camerson on Hong Kong Island. It brings you great views of Tai Tam, the south side of Hong Kong Island, and over Victoria Harbour. Some military relics can be seen at the starting point. The upward paths are rather steep. Luckily, there are ropes for us to get hold of. Gathering at the Wong Nai Chung Gap bus stop, we head to the military sites along the road, marked as Station 9 and 10, to have a look at the military relics before climbing up to Mount Nicholson. Wong Nai Chung Gap was chosen as the site of the headquarters of the West Brigade during Japanese invasion in 1941. The stone steps next to this Station 10 is the starting point of the hilly path up Mount Nicholson. These ropes in the steep and rough sections come in handy. The pathway isn't too apparent between the trees. Look for the ribbons. That's what we do. Look, Mount Nicholson is right ahead of us. Great spot overlooking Tai Tam. A bit steep here. Again, ropes are here to help. Through these bushes, a microwave station will come to sight, and that is the summit. Down these wooden steps, we will get to Hong Kong Trail Section 4 or Black Lane, then turn to the path towards Aberdeen Reservoir. Quite a few of wear and tear, as you can see. Please be aware of the nails sticking out. MtCameron is right there. From here, a short walk towards Aberdeen Reservoir, we will reach an unapparent hilly path up Mount Camerson. Here it is, the turn up to Mount Cameron.
View of Middle Island.
Beautiful. Wow, nice viewing point. The view behind me is great for photos. Here we are. This is the highest point in this walk. Selfie as usual. Downward path gives a slight open view along the way. We will get back to the pavilion in the junction where we turn left towards Aberdeen Reservoir. Nice. From here, we carry on with the black link towards Wanchai Gap. As we walk along Wanchai Gap Road, we will see a turn to Dutch Lane. We have walked Dutch Lane before. We are taking Dutch Lane again, heading towards 3 Pacific Place, the end of this walk. We covered about 9 kilometers in this walk in about 4 hours, with the highest altitude reached 439 meters and aggregate elevation gain of 502 meters. Hope you enjoyed the walk. Have a great day ahead.